Similar what I said about the fibroblasts, remember? So this is the same. We want to remind this tendon that it needs to build good tension collagen to have a good pre-stress. So since cells regenerate all the time, and new collagen is produced all the time, and new hyaluronic acid, and so on and so on. So we're just going to do a very soft stroke along the tendon in the damaged part so that we encourage the fibroblasts to be producing in that longitude their collagen and elastin, so we can come back to a pretty decent pre-stress. Okay, cases like this I have seen even in quite overweight people, and they're fixed in 3 sessions. Okay, I work the whole foot, I work the leg because I want to redistribute the forces. I want to work the whole system so that everything is as balanced as it can be, that the tensegrity is as optimal as it can be. But here I've got a point of problem because of gravity. This is not sustaining the arch, so it's not sustaining the structure well. So I'm falling here. So I need to stimulate with the message to the fibroblast and you can encourage the patient to go home in the same way and be doing it to their own foot.